In this video, we'll be taking a look at DNSFilter's Universal Lists feature. Universal Lists aim to serve as your first line of defense by allowing MSPs and single organizations to set up a global list of allowed and blocked domains. Once created, these lists will take effect on all current and future policies. With this, you can create a base set of protection rules, and any other policy setting will only complement this security foundation. Right now, we're in an MSP account, and Universal Lists can be found under the Global Policies section of the side menu. For single organizations, you will find Universal Lists under the Policy section, also on the side menu. On the Universal Lists page, you have two sections for creating a list. One to create a Universal Allow list, and the other to create a Universal Block list. Each list can contain a maximum of 1,000 domains. Let's go ahead and create a Universal Allow list. To create a Universal Allow list, click on the Create List button on the Allow List section. You are then presented with the Universal Allow List setup screen. Here you have two options for creating a list. You can upload a CSV file of domains that should be allowed by default, or click the New button to add a comma-separated list of domains. For this demo, we'll be using the New button, so go ahead and click on New. In the sliding view on the right-hand side of the screen, there is an input field where you can paste in a comma-separated list of domains you want in the Universal Allow list. I'll be pasting in a bunch of dummy domains in here just to see how it works. There is also a Notes section below the Domains field that you can expand and input a note. Notes can help you and other users understand why this list was set up in the first place. In the Notes section, I'm just going to type in Demo Purposes. This will allow us to see the effect of adding a note once the setup is complete. Now click the Add to List button to create your list. Clicking this button takes us to a preview of our list. On this screen, you can see the domain name and the note attached to each domain, which was the note that we added earlier. There is also the Actions column. This column contains buttons to edit the domain and also to delete a domain from the list. Clicking the Delete button removes the domain from the list, but gives you the opportunity to revert the action. If the action is not reverted, the domain will stay deleted and will not be included in the list that will be created. Let's go ahead and revert the delete action to re-add the domain back to the list. Finally, click the Create List button to create the universal list of allowed domains. These domains will now be allowed by default. After successful creation of our Universal Allow list, the Allow section gives us a summary of what our list looks like. At the moment, we have added 6 domains that will be allowed by default, and we also have 994 slots remaining in the list. The time the list was last updated is also displayed. This policy will now take effect throughout the organization and all sub-organizations registered under this MSP. To edit the list, click the Edit button to add or remove more items or edit notes. Since I'm okay with this list as it looks right now, I'm just going to cancel to exit the operation. You can also export the list as a CSV file by clicking the Export button. As you can see, our list has now been downloaded as a CSV file onto our machine. The flow of setting up a Universal Block list is entirely similar to that of the Allow list that we just set up. And if you later realize that you no longer need the list, or you have made a lot of mistakes setting it up and just want to start over, you can click the Delete button to get rid of the current list. And that's our Getting Started guide to DNSFilter's Universal Lists feature. For more information on Universal Lists, please visit our knowledge base. You can also check out our channel for videos on specific features and settings. Want to give us a try? Sign up for a free trial on our website. Thanks for watching.